crushing some macadamia nut here for my next dish. Hi, I'm Martin Yan, and welcome to my Chinatown Master Technique Show. There's so much more to Greek seafood than just fresh fish and jumbo shrimp. For centuries, Chinese chefs and home cooks have been coming up with new ways to bring all kinds of shellfish and mollusks to the dinner table. Today, I'll follow that tradition and start out with one of my favorites, scallops. Here, I have some wonderful macadamia nuts here, okay? You can have the whole one or the one already cracked or cut or chopped, but I want to crush it. And I crush it, this is how you do it. You, see, already, this is how you crush the macadamia nut, coffee nut, or other nuts. This is the fastest, so you don't have to use a machine. Okay, and the great thing about macadamia is you can eat it too, you know, wonderful snack. Now, here I have some scallop. And this is a wonderful big chunk, big sea scallops right here. Okay, you know, I don't want to get the bay scallop. I want a big scallop like this, okay? Here I have some salt. I'm going to get a bowl here, put a tiny bit of scallop because I want to flavor it. Put a tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of cornstarch. Always marinate your seafood or your protein with cornstarch and salt. And then I dip this in here. Here I have macadamia nut. I have sesame seed, okay? And I also have a little touch, a little pinch of 5-spice powder. I mix them all up like this, okay? And then I am going to dip this into an egg wash. Look at that, very simple. Dip it in an egg wash. And dip this in an egg wash. Use a chopstick to pick up food. Great cooking utensils. Okay, let's do it by hand, faster. And then put it here and coat it nicely. Okay, very simple. Now, when this is all nice and ready, and I coat this, I'm going to pan fry this over high heat, very important. And then, while I'm pan frying it, this is beautiful, very nice, coated very nicely. Okay, this is just enough pieces here. I'm going to do this with a tiny bit of oil, okay? Make sure it's very hot because you don't want the moisture to come out. You want to seal in the moisture. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5 jumbo pieces. Okay? In the meantime, I want to show you. Let's put this aside. Make the dressing. Here I have some sweet chili sauce. I use about half a cup lot of sauce ahead of time. Okay? And then I use a dash of white pepper, tiny bit of soy sauce, just to give that nice rich color. A tiny bit of rice vinegar. Look at this. And I put them all together. Look at how wonderful this is. That's all you have to do. This is our dipping sauce. If you want, you can use a little bit more rice vinegar. Okay? This is all we need. And I put this dipping sauce right over here. This is the wonderful dipping sauce we're going to use. Just enough, okay? Dipping sauce. And the scallop should be done also. Doesn't take too long. We'll get this plate ready. This is beautiful. Whoa, beautiful. Nice and golden brown on both sides. Look at that. Ready to be served. Let's put it right over here. Ready to be served. Beautiful. Never overcook your scallop. Beautiful. Look at that. When this is all nice and done, the great thing about this is texture contrast. Outside is flavorful, crispy, golden brown. Inside it's moist and succulent. I'm going to serve it right over here. Now this is what we have. Sesame macadamia coated scallops.